Spring has sprung, the birds are chirping, and I want to turn a birdhouse, but not just any birdhouse. How about a hummingbird birdhouse? I don't know if they have a birdhouse or not, but we're going to make them one. You want to see how I did it? Stick around. I found they were all, I found they were all strangers to I forgot to drill the hole here before I started turning it, so I gotta go back and find the center to this. So what I'm gonna do is use my square. It's about 3 1/8. So I'm gonna split that in half. So we're gonna use that as our mark for the half. Drill a hole right there. We only have to go about halfway through, so let's see if we can make this work. chuck on there now, and that's going to serve as two purposes. What I've done is put a little piece of cherry in here and turned it down for like a little jam chuck, so I can jam it up in there, and then I can actually sand it in the opposite direction than I was when it was turned this way, so I get a good even sanding on it. Also, it allows me to clean up the bottom. have the house done here. This is going to act as the mortise. We're going to turn down this for the tenon for the roof of the house. Let's do this. So I got the shape I want, but I need to turn this down a little bit because that's too much for the tenon. I don't need that much. And I also want to make the roof more look like a roof. So I think I'm going to use the Easy Wood detailer to maybe turn some shingles in there. Let's see how I can do that. I'd like to thank a good friend of mine, Jerry Measimer. He's a great wood turner. He turns cowboy hats. He does these beautiful bird houses. I'll leave a link down below to his website, but he is an absolute phenomenal wood turner, and he inspired me to do this during the Klingspor's Extravaganza show where he was doing demos. So thank you, Jerry, for that. I appreciate the inspiration for turning this Hummingbird Birdhouse. I'm also going to leave some affiliate links down below of some tools I use within this build. If you go check those out, I'd greatly appreciate it. It also helps me out. Yes, Lord. It's raining. Really? If you like what I do here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell to give you notifications for whenever I'm posting videos. Please like and comment down below on what you thought, And always remember, be kind to one another.